Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. Would you know what someone meant if they said they had bigger fish to fry? In this video, I'll give you some examples to use in the workplace and in social situations, so you'll feel more confident using this popular idiom. This idiom is used when someone has other, more important matters to attend to. In the workplace, it can be used to refer to giving priority to a task or client that is deemed more important. So, let's say a manager has been worrying that the company are on the verge of losing their biggest client, and he is due to sit down for crunch talks later today. His assistant comes into his office and explains that he is late for a meeting with one of his employees. But he is preoccupied with preparation for the big meeting later, so he tells his assistant, "That will have to be rescheduled. I have bigger fish to fry today." Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. I wanted to meet my mother for lunch, but I had bigger fish to fry as I previously arranged to meet my friend for the same time. The team didn't mind losing their match in the cup. They have bigger fish to fry when they play the league leaders this weekend. So, are you coming out with us to the club tonight? No, I've got bigger fish to fry. I had a big argument with my boyfriend last night, so I'm going to sort things out with him. Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. I'm sorry, I haven't time to help you. I've got bigger fish to fry. I have a small apartment I've been trying to sell, but I've now got bigger fish to fry, as an offer has been put in for my client's home on Millionaires Row. I was late again this morning to work. My manager said he'd deal with me later, as he had bigger fish to fry. Where did you hear the expression bigger fish to fry? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.